Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. Nice day here at the beginning of June. I just want to show you how this turned out over here, the dusk to dawn. Stood away from the building a little bit, but I had to add that extra box on there because the box was inset like 1.25 inches into the wall. We're gonna I put Bondo on these holes on this door, and I'm gonna give it another coat and then sand it and get a coat of paint on this, dress that thing up. We're gonna do something with this too. Got a lot of chipping brick and what have you. We're gonna maybe mortar and stucco this part. This is an old incinerator situation right here. Doesn't do nothing. Or put some rubber on the roof maybe. Alright, so what I'm doing here right now off the rip is I have a one of the old, we only have like in this building maybe 3 faucets that haven't been replaced in tubs because the people were here when we got the building, and he's got a drip maybe every like 20-30 seconds, so we're gonna fix that. Alright, so here's the faucet, and it's the cold side, and I just shut the water off from back behind here, and I'm going to take this off and pull this cartridge out, and I have a rebuild kit that has like little rubber bushings, so let me get going on that. Alright folks, I fixed that. I had to go into another unit and put that new fridge in unit 6, and you couldn't open the door because of the radiator, and so we did fix that. And then the brand new air conditioner was leaking around, it was actually leaking around the cord, which didn't make no sense. It's my personal bathroom. Darren's den. Dean, quit playing with your dinghy. So, we're supposed to go into Unit 18 and fix the closet door and caulk the tub again. And dude had a book out of here, and I don't go into people's apartments without a chaperone because I'm not getting accused of shit. Someone keeps leaving this thing dripping. Every time I come in this place, this thing is a drip. I wonder why the water bill here is crazy. So, here's the stove and the fridge that was in Unit 6. And I have to be here tomorrow at 9 to meet the boiler guy. He was going to running chase parts. So, it's Unit 6 right there. So, thank you for watching Old School Customs. Subscribe, leave a comment, hit the like button, choo choo.